You will learn how to multiply fraction by a whole number and multiply whole number by a fraction. Before we explore how to multiply fractions, let's do a quick review of how to multiply fraction by fraction. I hope you remember the steps. Step number 1, multiply the numerators. Step number 2, multiply the denominators. Step number 3, simplify the fraction if possible. For example, you have a problem like that. 2/7 times 1/5. Step number 1, multiply the numerators. 2 multiplied by 1, you get a 2. Step number 2, multiply the denominators. 7 times 5, you get a 35. Step number 3, simplify the product if possible. It's not possible to simplify, so that will be final answer. But what happens when you have to multiply a fraction by a whole number? You can still use the same rule, but with one extra step. For example, you have like this problem. You have a problem 2/5 times 3. My recommendation to do step number 1, rewrite the whole number as a fraction. 2/5, rewrite times and rewrite number 3 like a 3/1. You can do this because any number divided by 1 is always equal to itself. Now, because you are multiplying a fraction by a fraction, you can apply the rules that's related with how we multiply proper fractions. So step number 2, it will be multiply numerators. To multiply by 3, you get a 6. Step number 3 in this case, multiply the denominators. It will be 5 multiplied by 1, you get a 5. Step number 4, simplify the product if possible. It's not possible to simplify, but what we see here, we have improper fraction when numerator is greater than denominator. So we can rewrite this fraction like a mixed number. You get a 1 and 1/5. Good job. We finished to solve this problem.